All right, welcome to lesson 77, units of capacity. Now you've studied units of length and distance, you've studied weight, and you've studied both of those in the metric system and in the U.S. customary measurement system. But today we're doing something different, the units of capacity, and it's different because it is measuring the amount of liquid in an object. How much liquid could fit in that object is its capacity. And so you might hear words like ounces and cups and pints and liters. Those are all amounts of liquid, right? So like your 40-ounce container of water or your 2-liter bottle of soda or your 8-ounce cup, that is all capacity. And one great way to measure, to remember how all these measurements of capacity fit together is to memorize the G chart. Now, I don't know if it's really called the G chart. I've just always called it the G chart, and whoever created it did a brilliant job, and I need you to memorize how to draw this. If you could draw this, you could really just about solve any problem with capacity very simply. So, when you have a capacity problem, I would just draw this on the corner of your paper. I'm going to start off with a big G, okay? Now you have to draw this G big enough to fit 4 big Q's inside. All right? Now the G stands for gallons, right? Gallons of gasoline, gallons of milk. That's a big unit of capacity. So it's going to be the biggest one. And then inside I put 4 Q's. What do you think the Q's stand for? And why would 4 fit in a gallon? Well, think of the word quarters. 4 quarters make $1. 4 quarts make a gallon. Half of a gallon would be 2 quarts, right? Cut half of it out, there's 2 quarts left over. 1/4 of a gallon is a quart, okay? So 4 Q's need to be drawn inside your giant G. Now inside those Q's, you need to draw 2 P's. Fill the space. You need to make it big enough so that it fills that Q, okay? 2 P's in each one. Now the P's stand for pints. 2 pints fit in every quart. So 2 quarts would be 4 pints. Or 4 quarts would be 8 pints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how the pints fit in? And there are a total of 8 pints in a gallon. And 4 quarts in a gallon. See how that works? Now inside of a pint, inside the loop of the P, I want you to write 2 C's. For every pint, you will be drawing 2 C's for cups. 2 cups could fit in a pint. Now your drawing is complete. So 4 cups fit in a quart, or 8 cups fit in 2 quarts, or 8 cups fit in a half of a gallon, or 16 cups fill a gallon. See how that works? If you memorize this drawing, it'll really help you solve capacity problems. Now there's one thing missing, ounces. Now I haven't come up with a creative way to put ounces in there because we need to know a number for this. A cup equals 8 ounces. And that is something you should memorize in addition. Because if they ask you one of these measurements of capacity and they want to know how many ounces, you need to be able to convert. 2 cups is 16 ounces. So a pint is 16 ounces. So 2 pints is 32 ounces. A quart is 32 ounces. Half of a gallon would be 64 ounces. Okay? Did I do that right? All right. Let's look at some of the problems in your work and see if you can use the G chart to solve some of these. So, in number 2, how many cups equal 1 quart? Just look at your drawing. Look in the Q. How many cups are in there? 4. It's just that easy. Okay. How about number 4? A quart is 2 pints. Yeah, we got that, right? We drew 2 P's inside there. A quart is how many ounces? Well, there's 4 cups in there, Each cup stands for 8. 4 eighths is 32. All right? If you have any questions about units of capacity, then come and see me. Memorize that G chart. It's going to help you a ton on units of capacity. All right, thank you.